Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create PDF report based on Google Sheets data, analyze with ChatGPT and send via email using PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use this sample Google Sheets report data to convert it into a PDF format. Then we'll analyze the data using ChatGPT and send the results via email. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create a Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Sheets app. And choose the New Spreadsheet option. This will allow you to trigger automation when you create a new spreadsheet. Then enter My Google Drive as the drive to use for the spreadsheet storage. Once you have set up the Google Sheets configuration, test the trigger to ensure that everything is working correctly. Now that you have tested the trigger and confirmed that the automation process is working correctly, you can proceed to the next step, which is to add an app that will convert the Google Sheet spreadsheet to a PDF format. For this step, we will add the PDF.co app and choose the Anything to PDF Converter option. This will enable you to instantly transform your Google Sheets spreadsheet into a PDF format. Now connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's configure the settings for converting a Google Sheets spreadsheet into PDF format. For the Input Format field, select the link to a CSV, XLS, XLSX, TXT spreadsheet file or file token link option. This will allow you to convert the spreadsheet to PDF format. For the Input Source field, select the direct link from Google Sheets spreadsheet. This will ensure that the app can access the spreadsheet and convert it to PDF format. In the Output PDF Name field, enter your preferred output PDF file name. Once you have done setting up the configuration, test the action to convert the Google Sheets report data to PDF format. PDF.co has successfully processed your request, transforming the Google Sheets spreadsheet into a PDF format. To access the converted file, just copy the generated URL and paste it into your preferred web browser. Here's the PDF document generated from the Google Sheets report data. Now copy the text content of the PDF document and we'll use it for analysis with ChatGPT. For the next step, you'll need to integrate the ChatGPT app into your automation workflow. And select the conversation option to send a chat message to OpenAI and generate a text response. Let's configure the ChatGPT settings. First, enter the text command that will trigger the analysis and response generation, including the actual text content from the PDF document. For username, assistant instructions, and model field, you can use the default values provided by ChatGPT. In the memory key field, add a unique value that will allow the assistant to continue the conversation and store any relevant information for future reference. Once you have configured the ChatGPT app, you can test it by sending a message with the trigger text command and the text content from the PDF document. ChatGPT was able to analyze and generate responses based on the text content from the PDF document. This will allow you to share the insights and information extracted from the analysis with others, providing valuable context and improving collaboration. For this step, we will add the PDF.co app. And choose the HTML to PDF converter option to convert ChatGPT response analysis to PDF format. Under the Input HTML or URL to Convert field, select the Assistant Response Message option from ChatGPT. This will serve as the input for the PDF conversion, containing the response analysis that you wish to convert to PDF format. Once you have done setting up the configuration, let's initiate a test to convert the response analysis from ChatGPT to PDF format. The test was successful and PDF.co converted the response analysis to PDF format. Now that we have converted the response analysis from ChatGPT to PDF, we will use the generated PDF to send as an attachment to an email. For the last step, we will add the Gmail app and choose the Send Email option to send the PDF document as an attachment to an email. Let's set up the Send Email configuration. First, enter the customer's email address in the To field to ensure that the email is sent to the correct recipient. Next, add your email address to the From field to identify who the sender is and to ensure that the recipient knows where the email is coming from. Then provide a clear and informative subject line that accurately reflects the content of the email. This will help the recipient understand the purpose of the email and prioritize it accordingly. Select the plain option for the body type field. This will ensure that the email is easy to read and does not contain any unnecessary formatting that could cause issues with the email client. For the body field, please provide the content of your email message. For the attachments field, select the output URL of the generated PDF from the response analysis. Once you have done setting up the configuration, let's initiate a test to send an email to a Gmail account. The test was successful and the email was sent to the intended recipient's email address. To gain a deeper understanding of PDF.co and its wide range of features, we invite you to visit our website. You can also visit our YouTube channel, where you can find additional video tutorials. By subscribing to our channel, you'll ensure that you never miss out on our latest video releases, and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon to receive timely updates whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching.